Gab. I have a surprise for you.
Yeah. He has a surprise for me.
Yeah, it's a camera.
Should I open it?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's open it.
Camera. Okay.
Okay, open the box.
Camera.
Wow.
Dad, there's a camera.
Yeah, you get a picture for
Charger.
me.
And then to turn it on, you have to
Get a
long
picture
press. That. Wow.
There's a thing.
Wow. Take a picture.
What's this? Orange
It's a touch screen though. If you take a picture, click here.
Meron ka picture, like?
Makakamera talaga siya. May memory card yan eh. And then you put it on your leg.
What should I do?
Let me assist first so that you won't be having any problem. There. And then you took her a picture. You click here when you took a picture. This one, and then
Take me a picture. Kagut na nyo. Gab.
did that work? Oh, try to double check the picture that you already took. Ganyan siya, oh.
I just got the picture.
Yeah.
Video mo, Gab.
Hi, Chucky. Si Chucky, Gab. Pipicturean mo na, Gab.
Chuli, Chucky, Gab. Chucky!
Grabe, busy-busy. Nagdaamon nga. Maniniyot. Oh, maniniyot. Si busy. Nagidya. Oh!
I'm gonna order this truck. This truck is really not good.
Busy-busy. Git siya sa iyang mga pag-picture niya. Hi, Chucky. Pagod pang check niya man ang iyang mga picture. Maganda ang kuha.
Papa. Oh. Wow. What's that song for, Mommy?
Yeah.
Can I pick this song button?
You can try.